All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. On this episode, we're going to show you how we wrapped a 2018 Model X Tesla. In this episode, we'll go through all of the different things that we did during the process of removing all of the parts from the vehicle, wrapping the vehicle, and then reinstalling all the parts back onto the vehicle. Stick around, let's see how we did it. So we're going to be taking apart this door panel here today so we can wrap this car a different color. I'd much rather be pulling off a Toyota door than a Tesla door. Just listen to this pop. Hey, I caught one. This was a lot easier than the passenger door, though, on this particular car. So passenger door was a real pain in the butt. See this right here? This is double-sided tape holding this rubber weather stripping on. It's already coming up out of the weather stripping. So I'm just going to gently peel it back because I have to get it off of the glass. And go down like that. And we access our screws. There should be 4 screws back here. 5 screws, I'm sorry. So here's an interesting thing about Tesla's control module. It's attached to the door. I have to take it off of the door to get the mirror out because there's 2 harnesses here. But watch this. It's got a gyro in it or something because it makes the door freak out. Like, I'm not touching the door. Isn't that crazy? Stop. Stay. Well, I gotta get these taillights out. So I have to take out these side panels to get to the bolts that hold the taillights in and the plug that holds the charging port in. I remember this being kind of a involved process. This is gonna come out first. Wow, that came off way easier than it was supposed to. I barely pulled on it. All right, you know why it came off? It's missing a screw that's been off before. There's a screw here. It was missing a screw on that side. That's why it came off so easily. All right, during this installation of this wrap on this vehicle, we removed a lot of parts on this Tesla to perform the job. First and foremost, most of the vehicles that we do, all of the bumpers have to be removed, headlights have to be removed. Any kind of black plastic or any kind of trim also needs to be removed as well. If you've ever seen a Tesla on the road, especially some of the older models, you'll notice that they have an awful lot of chrome. All of this door molding is all chrome on these Teslas. All of that needs to be removed or worked around to mask that chrome or hide it. Doorknobs is doorknobs. They're not even knobs anymore. These are door handles, push buttons. I don't know what they call them in a Tesla, but that also has to be removed, including the mirrors as well. Our customer decided to keep his factory wheels, which were already this color, and it goes real well with the trim that he did. If you've watched any of our videos, our previous videos on wrapping cars, you kind of already have an idea of how we do it. If you haven't watched any videos, take a look at what we do during our installations. So most of our vehicles are disassembled in the fashion of as if they were being painted. And the reason we do that is so that the vinyl, when it gets wrapped on the vehicle, we go around all of the edges because vinyl can have a tendency to shrink back, especially if it's sitting out in the sun for a long period of time. So we try and alleviate any issues with that by removing as much as we possibly can so that the reveal or the show of the vinyl itself, you'll never see the color underneath. For instance, all of this black trim has to be removed so that we can wrap underneath of it. The side moldings with the cameras and everything are also removed. Same thing with your belt molding or your window moldings. These were removed not only to wrap the doors, but also to wrap the moldings. We've changed the molding so that the color of the molding matches the color of the wheels, just as an accent piece, which is really nice, and it sets it off a little bit more, in my opinion. All right, that wraps this one up. Please take a look at some of our videos and clips of the vehicle. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one.